Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Error 400, commonly referred to as bad request, indicates that the server cannot or will not process the request due to something that is perceived to be a client error. This could be due to malformed request syntax, invalid request message framing, or deceptive request routing. In this tutorial, we will explore common causes of a 400 error and how to fix it, along with code examples. Common causes of error 400. 1. Malformed URL. The URL might be incorrect or improperly formatted. 2. Invalid query parameters. Sending invalid or unexpected query parameters can trigger a 400 error. 3. Large request payload. The request body might be too large for the server to process. 4. Missing required parameters. The request might be missing parameters that the server expects. 5. Incorrect HTTP method. Using the wrong HTTP method, example get instead of post, can also cause a 400 error. How to fix error 400? Here are steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve a 400 bad request error. 1. Check the URL. Make sure that the URL you're trying to access is correct. Look for typos or malformed syntax. Example asterisk. Fix asterisk. 2. Validate query parameters. If your URL includes query parameters, ensure that they are valid and properly formatted. Example asterisk. 3. Check the request body size. If you are sending a post request, ensure that the body of your request is not too large. Check the server's configuration for limits on request size. Example asterisk. Fix asterisk. Make sure the payload size is within acceptable limits. 4. Ensure all required parameters are present. Check if the request is missing any required parameters. This often happens in API calls. Example asterisk. Fix asterisk. 5. Use the correct HTTP method. Make sure you are using the correct HTTP method, get, post, put, delete, etc., that the API endpoint expects. Example asterisk. Fix asterisk. Conclusion. A 400 bad request error can be frustrating, but by carefully checking your URL, query parameters, request body, and HTTP methods, you can often quickly identify and resolve the issue. Always refer to your API documentation for specific requirements regarding requests. If the problem persists, check server logs or reach out to the server administrator for more insights.